Hello, welcome from Togetherfreetolearn channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna explain about how to post carousel video on Facebook without error. If you didn't cut the weight in these previous videos, please try with this way. I'm sure you will definitely get posting carousel videos. So let's start. As part, please go to the Google browser and type similartools.com. The screen appears like this, so put down. You will see the image carousel and also the video carousel. Today we will post with video carousel. Click to here. Here mention that we need to log into Similar Tools. Click Login. This is our first time in this similartool.com, so we need to sign up. So please click Sign Up. You need to create an account. So insert your name and also the email. After that, insert the password. Finally, confirm the password. After inserting all steps, you can click on Sign Up. So please wait for a moment and register successfully. Click OK. Here, you need to check if your email to verify account. So please enter your Gmail. Click on similartool.com. After that, verify the email. Now, your account has been verified in similartool.com. After that, you need to log in again. Wait a moment. Finally, you created an account in similartool.com with the name Julie. So pull down the screen. You will see the video carousel. Click video carousel. We need to connect with our Facebook. So please click the OK and then the sign in with your Facebook account. Scroll down the screen. Click the connect with Facebook account. Continue as your account and then please choose the page. After you have chosen, please click the next. After that, click Done. Now linking with similartool.com. Click OK. In here, you can update your password, old password and also the new password and then the update. After you update your password, you could successfully created the account on similartool.com. So after that will appear like this. In here, click video carousel again. Oh, finally, the screen will appear this. Please choose the account. In here, you can select the video, so click No File Chosen. Choose the video would you like to upload. After you have chosen, click on Done. After you have chosen video, you can click on the upload. So please wait. Here, you can choose the thumbnail would you like to upload. So please click on No File Chosen. After choosing, so click on Upload Thumbnail. Continuously, please select your Facebook page in here. After that, you can write in description here. After you have written the description, so you can also add in URL link. In here, I will add my YouTube video link. go to copy URL and also the paste the URL. You can select option type in here. You can choose whatever you like and choose live page. After choosing the all stat, you can see the preview. In here, I don't want to have these pictures. For changing, click on this image and change your image. After choosing, you can also see the preview again, so please wait. Now my changing picture is totally changed in this here. After all stats are finished, and also if you're satisfied with this uploading, you can click on the publish on your Facebook page. It will start on uploading on your Facebook page. Successfully published. If you would like to add a new post, click on here. In here, as tutorial, I will show you how it appeared on our Facebook page. In here, Facebook video carousel successfully created. So to start, let's go to the Facebook page. Now successfully we got it. In the place of second photos and third photo, you will see your photo online creating with viewer.com. In here, my tutorial video was completed. I hope this video tutorial helped for you. Please like to my video and also please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.